morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us today. I'm very excited today to be sitting down with 3U. I have Andrea Uzzo and Alex Ambrogi with me. Gentlemen, thanks for joining me today.
Hi, Shawn. It's a big pleasure to be here and talk with you.
Hello, good morning, Shawn. It's a pleasure to be with you. Thank you.
Andrea, 3U Vision is a new company, but there's a huge amount of experience and expertise behind it. Your father, together with you and your brother, founded 3U Vision back in 2019 after spending years in the vision system and sorter industries. What led you to embark on this new venture?
Yeah, Shawn, you're right. My father is a pioneer on vision technology and color sorting technology. We grow with our father when we was a child looking for this technology, and it became a passion for us to be in this field. So absolutely, for us, working in color sorting technology is not only a job. It's something that moves us from our blood, from when we was a child. Absolutely, we move in this new adventure that is really not easy after a lot of years in a big company. And the engine that pushed us to do it was absolutely the demand from the customer to improve the quality of his own product. Because most of the color sorter and the actual technology now cannot remove a lot of defect in the product. So we try to do something different, something better. This was the biggest aim that we was having is to create and improve new technology in the color sorters. After that, the only way that we can do to reach this target is to create a new company, because it must be small, lean, elastic, and smart. We cannot do it in a big company, because if you have to take a decision and you have to take 3 months to take a decision, nowadays it's unbelievable, because the technology is changing continuously, daily. So in this company, 3U is 3U. Andrea, Stefano, and Antonio Uzzo, that is the 3U of the company. And we take a decision after we talk 5 minutes together. So this is the best way to be quickest and to put the new technology quickest on the plant that we are producing here, on the machine.
Gotcha. Excellent. Alex, 3U Vision deals with advanced vision systems, specifically with optical sorting machines. This is a very technical area, but your specialty, of course, is making it accessible to the seed industry, and more specifically, the global seed industry. What are some of the key things that you want people to know about your technology specifically?
I think it's important to spread our background to aware the market regarding our potential. In specifics, the benefit we can bring is our knowledge of the vision system and our state-of-the-art machine built with specific features for the seed industry, such as the 3.2 millimeters ejection pitch, which help a lot to reduce the losses. Our patent vision system combined with special LED illuminations to enhance the quality of the vision and to work faster and better especially with very small seeds such as alfalfa or clover seed, etc. Then our intuitive, user-friendly interface to help especially those operators that don't want to lose so much productive time in front of the machine. All this combined to our passion for the details bring enormous benefits to our customers.
Alex, quality sounds like it's kind of the top priority here. If I read between the lines correctly here?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, our focus is the top quality to offer to our customers.
Andrea, you or Alex said something a moment ago that sparked a thought for me. You mentioned creating a new standard in optical sorters. Why is there a new standard that's needed as far as optical sorters are concerned?
The aim that moved us to open a new company was to create a new generation of color sorters. The target was to rise the level of the quality, to improve the quality of the customer product. So we choose to create a new machine with no compromise on it, to really rise the quality of the customer. This helped us to create a big noise on the market. And so most of the customer, after installing the machine, are having better results in terms of quality, less with seats, less rejection, so they can sell his own product at higher prices. So we help the customer to have a benefit with our machine. What happened is that after that, of course, this became a target to reach also from the competitors. So we create in real life a new standard, and the needed is to get an help to the customer to improve his benefit on the market, and make some changes in the market to divide what was the level of the quality before. Most of the color sorting machine was reached certain level that was quite the same for a lot of different brands. It can be a little bit better, it can be a little bit worse, but in the end, it's very similar. And so we try to do some breakthrough on that and change to have a change in the result. And this helps the customer. So they create his own level. They create a new standard. So if you want to reach this standard to have this quality, you must have a 3 Vision sorters. This was the focus.
So as I mentioned, the company was founded in 2019, and this creates a this creates a unique initial history for the company, because I'm sure things must have gotten pretty interesting when the pandemic hit, and then the last few years have been a roller coaster of ability to do business and where you can move within the world, and yet here you are promoting 3U Vision on a global stage. How did you successfully make it through that initial challenging time and into now where you can really start to thrive?
Just a brief introduction in what was our story in this company. We start in 2019, this new adventure, and COVID started in 2019. We start selling and make a service and start up the machine, and the war in Ukraine was started. So it looks that we are a little bit unlucky in this kind of things, but in real life, we must see what give us as a benefit. And the big benefit of the COVID was that give us more time to develop and stabilize and get improving daily and continuously the machine that was a prototype. So in the end, when finally in the 2021 we was ready to sell the first machine and start up the first machine, the customer was reached an unbelievable result that was impossible if without the COVID we was fighting against the time to have as much faster the machine ready. So in this time we was really improve the reliability. So the customer was start up a machine that was with a very technology that is mature technology. It's not something very raw. So in the end, if we can see something positive, this is what they have to do it. Of course, without any exhibition, without any way to show the machine in the beginning was very difficult. And Alex knows something about that.
Yeah, Alex, what did that mean for you on the sales side from the perspective of not actually being able to go see your customers?
Yeah, actually, it's been not easy at all. Yeah, it's been tough, a challenge, because without the possibility to meet your customer, face to face, it's hard to try to convince them to buy from a company which is actually a new brand in the market, with knowledge, with experience, but a new brand at all. And but as Andrea said, the COVID gave us the possibility to prepare the machine at its best. So when we've been ready, and again the world opened to the possibility to visit customer, to travel again, and to make some trade shows. I think that our design, the details of the manufacturing of the machine, and also what actually the customer started touching with their hands is being very, very important for us. But let's say that the quality, the results, and solving problems to customer is our best possibility to sell, and is what is giving us the fuel, to travel, to see customer, to do the daily job, because we are seeing good results also on customer side, which is important.
Well said. Andrea, you're obviously putting a huge amount of work into creating your global vision. You're moving beyond Europe into North and South America. That's a huge undertaking, but you obviously have the people and the technology behind you to make that happen. Where do you see 3U Vision in a year from now compared to where it is right now?
As we say in the beginning, we start this adventure to fulfill the customer requirement. So for us, we expect our future try to fix and improve the quality and to fix what the customer may require to improve its quality. So we still study new technology, we still study new things. That nowadays is absolutely a must. If you want to improve the quality, you can found improving in the software, in artificial intelligence. A lot of field in this moment can help us to help the customer to get better results. The target, of course, is to reduce the rejection, reduce the waste product, and increase the quality. So I see my future and the future of 3U Vision still improving daily what we got, not stay stable and sell this is the machine, this is done. The future of this company was study from the beginning to be improving daily, continuously, today, tomorrow, and next year, and so on. That's my vision of the future, this company vision for the future, not only mine.
It's great to see it. It's great to see the success that you're already having. Alex, where are we going to see you next? Will we see you in Berlin?
Yes, we will see in Berlin and probably also in December for the ASTA in Chicago.
So Euroseeds in Berlin. You'll have a booth there.
Yes, correct. We will have a booth. We will be there, so we can meet customers and have a chat and for the developing of future projects.
And then you'll come to Chicago to meet with your North American clients there as well.
Right, and to present also to the customers our new our distributor, so which is our collaboration for United States, so they can take care about customer visiting customer, arranging also trials there because there is a testing room. So yeah, we are just growing, and as Andrea said, we need to do it to stay in the market and to increase our network and presence in the world.
Let me say something, Shawn, that it's really, I'm really proud when there is an exhibition, because also the first touch with the machine, the design we create with this machine, changed the way that the customer expect the color sorters. So this really stop the customer start looking the machine also if he's not really interested, and after asking what is this machine doing. So it's just the first touch because it's only the external part, is the design. But we create this design to show that inside there is a lot of technology. It's not a standard color sorters. That was the thing that moved us also. And finally, with some exhibition, finally we can get in touch with the customer. The customer can touch and see the machine in real life. That is absolutely better than looks in a video in Zoom or Google Meet and so on.
Yeah, get their hands on it and their eyes on it, and their perception will be able to be set. I think that maybe it's just my Canadian brain, but my expectation is that Italian quality is a step up. How would you describe to me the difference in quality that we're talking about here? Right, there's a lot of color sorters out in the market. You guys, you know that. What's the separation point between what you guys are doing and what others are doing?
I did think, of course, we have so much experience to see what is good and what is bad when you design a new machine. We are not starting copying something that was on the market. We already experienced a lot of things, a lot of techniques, the details. So we really was focused on not fighting on the price of the machine. This will give us in a bad position. So we just focus on have the best and technology in each part of the machine. What is the best ejector system we can do is available on the market? No. So we will design. What we can improve? The camera. Yes, we can have this kind of camera on the market. No, because we don't have any machine at the moment that have 4 color in one camera, RGB and IR. So we design a camera like this. Other things, of course, a power supply. Why have to the design? You can purchase on the market, just choosing the best one. So we try to focus to have no compromise on that. If you want to have a cheap machine, you can purchase from some other. But if you want to have the best quality product actually come out from the machine, you must have our machine. This is the way that we focus, starting from the design, but design is just something to show that something different inside. After when you open our machine, you see inside a lot of details that is really well done and well designed and so on. In the end, this is show also in the results. It's not only design.
So we decided actually to anticipate the times. Designing and manufacturing a machine that is I don't want to say but it's for nowadays, but also already prepared for the future. So this is what we actually decided to do to anticipate times.
Gentlemen, well said. I very much look forward to seeing you in Berlin at Euroseeds and then in Chicago at ASTA. Thanks for taking the time to sit down with me today. Great to see you both.
Thank you very much, Shawn. It was a big pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you very much, Shawn.
Thank you.